Hello, my name is Jackie Anugo, and I will be discussing the living tissues that are found in the bone, even though the bone appears to be inert. Now, inert means they're lacking the ability or strength to move, and bones appear to be inert because of the non-living material in the extracellular matrix of the bone tissue. However, the bone also has active living tissues, which make it to be alive and also multifunctional. Some of these active living tissues are: one, the bone tissue, which is the most rigid connective tissue. It protects vital structures in the cranial and thoracic cavities and is the attachment for muscles. The bone tissue has two different types, the compact bone and spongy bone. The location are in the bones of the skeleton. Adipose tissue cushions joints and some organs, and the location is beneath the skin, in spaces between the muscles, around the kidneys, and so forth. And adipose tissue stores energy in fat molecules. Next is the bone marrow, which is basically soft net-like mass of connective tissue in medullary cavities of long bones. There are two types: red marrow, which is a lot in infancy, and yellow marrow, which is a lot in adulthood. Yellow marrow replaces most of the red marrow, and the red marrow is found primarily in the spongy bone of the skull, ribs, breastbone, collarbones, hip bones, and backbones. Also, we have cartilage, which is a hard connective tissue, and there are also three types of cartilage: hyaline, elastic, and fibrocartilage. Each of these are all in their different locations and are supposed to provide that, more so safety around the different parts of the body. Also, we have dense connective tissue, which also we have two parts: dense regular and dense irregular. Dense regular binds body parts, and dense irregular sustains tissue tension. Second of all, we have the blood, which are composed of red blood cells, white blood cells, and blood platelets, and the location are throughout the body in a closed system of blood vessels and heart chambers. Lastly, we have nervous tissue, which is found in the brain, spinal cord, and peripheral nerves. We have the basic cells of nervous tissue are neurons, which sense changes and respond by conducting electrical impulses to other neurons into muscles or glands. Also, we have the neuralgia, which is there's a lot of neuralgia, which support and bind the components of nervous tissue. They carry on phagocytosis, help supply growth factors and nutrients to neurons by connecting them to the blood vessels. Thank you.